Hey, welcome back, Donald Moog Electric Services. So we're doing a final walkthrough, and this job's been a little busy, so I haven't had a chance to do a middle walkthrough. But you'll be able to see what we did if you go to the first video and you see the prep work. We're cleaning now, so I'm going to walk it while they're cleaning, and we'll just go room to room. We did a lighting design, okay? So you'll be able to see the lighting design and the difference that a little bit of light makes. All right, so I'm gonna flip the phone around and just walk it with you. So, give it a shot here. I'm doing the wide angle. I've been requested to do a wide angle video, and we'll see how these work. So that fish was a little tough. That was done from the second floor. So we demoed the sconces. Sconces are no longer operational. We're going to go for more recessed lighting than sconces. So we cornered the room, and it's a large room, but you can see what two lights in a corner actually do. And then we did a 4 pattern in the center of the room. And I'll show it from one side to another. And there's the other cornering, all right? And I'll try to turn them on and off. So there's the outside corners, and there's your inside 4. All right, so let's just turn. So here's your perimeters. And basically what the idea of this is just to eliminate the corners, to show the grandiose of the room. Let the room be big. Okay, it's not meant to illuminate all the way through, but it's enough to give subtle lighting. Let's turn the 4 in the center on. This is for more entertainment. So you have dinner guests over, have a couple couches, maybe a table in the center. All right. So that's the great room. So we're gonna go, and the main foyer, we didn't do that much. We did a cornering design. So we did, that's 2 corners there. And turn around, and there's the front 2 corners. Nothing crazy with the foyer. They didn't want to do a chandelier or anything. So that's just 4 in the corners, using the corners to reflect the light inward. Dining room, we did go a little bit more elegant. All right, we did 2 over the fireplace. We did a small corner now. This is a 3.5-inch recessed corner. It's more for portraits. So you have a nice portrait light that can be moved and pivoted based on an oil base or whatever other type of painting you have. It's gonna be a little bit longer of a walkthrough. It's a big home. So here's our staircase. We did the same idea. We cornered. It gives you more bang for your buck as far as recessed lighting goes, and it still gives it a really nice feel. Now, if you wanted to add accent lighting in here, you could do it like an accent wall or a primary wall. But instead, we just wanted to do a nice general lighting pattern. All right. And 3rd floor. There's your 3rd floor lights. And same idea. Started in the corners. We did do one in the center here just to kind of give it a little bit more light. We'll go up here. All right. I want to show you this. all this was from 2 lights. And what we did was we placed the lights closer to the wall, so the wall reflects the light inward and fills the room. So instead of having to put 4 recessed lights in this room, okay, we only did 2. And it's still not, I don't know if the camera shows you, but it's a nice light. All right. Same thing in here. Oh, wrong one. 2. And just the 2, it gives, you can see it if I walk back here, more than enough light. You can see all of our patching. We're all patched. All right, so this is the master office. They put it on the 3rd floor. All right, a little bit bigger of a room. This one we did do 4. It's a little bit wider of a room. It spans the width of the house. So we put 4 close to the dormer, all right, and allowed the light to kind of work its way down. And it worked out pretty nicely. This is a fairly large room, and with 4 lights, it reflects the light inward pretty nicely. I know it's hard because it gets a little glary on these videos, so I try to get as far away as possible just to show you how much light is actually getting put out by 4. It's a good amount. So that's we haven't done the master bedroom lighting design yet because the master bedroom is getting renovated. So when the master bedroom gets renovated, we'll make another video. But for right now, this is the primary video. This is the knob and tube remediation. So everything I'm showing you was all knob and tube. And then we remediated the house. So it took about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks to remediate the house correctly. All right. Oh, here we go. I think we did 4 recessed in here. We did. So this is a decent sized room. All right, I would say maybe 18 by 18, maybe. It's larger than 12, okay? And we cornered this room. Just a very basic design, all right? And we left the center just empty, no fixture or anything. And you can see how much light reflects inwards from the walls. It's all reflecting off the wall. It's a nice design. All right. Now they requested closet lighting here. So this time we used the light bar. And that's just one light bar. It's on a switch. Lights up it's nice. All right. Let's go into the office. This is the secondary office. So there's 2 offices in here. Right now it's the gym. That will change. Same thing, a nice cornering design. All right. Just nice. Nice, simple. We added, here's the butler staircase, or the Opar staircase. We added a recessed light. And the recessed light reflects light enough all the way down. If I were to turn this off, on. And it makes a smaller staircase feel a little bit larger. Like you do the best you can. All right, and then we have a dark pantry. Not anymore. Another light bar. So these are great. Big fan. All right. I'll keep it this way. All right, so we still have the master bedroom, the kitchen to do. And let's see, we have master bedroom, kitchen, master bath, and I believe there's another bath in here that we have to renovate. So we will have another video, but it's Friday night. All the guys want to go home. God bless. Thanks for watching. Take care.